Hi and welcome to our YouTube channel. Interior design trends come and go, but Scandinavian style design is always, not surprisingly, at the forefront of the interior design industry. A design style that anybody loves. Which are the details that define the style? Please watch our new uploaded video and find out. This is a new uploaded video from the video series House Tours. The fifth part, namely Small Family Home Scandinavian Style Design. We have uploaded many videos about Scandinavian interior design. Just open our channel page and type Scandinavian Style Design. You will find a wide range of video regarding this theme. You will fall in love with this bright and striped down design. It is an amazing style that extends far beyond the Scandinavian peninsula. A timeless interior design style which is increasingly used around the whole world. And our new uploaded video proves once again this. You will discover here small, cozy, simple, unpretentious, inexpensive and inviting designer ideas. Check out these ideas and get inspired. Just look at these small but charming home interiors in Scandinavian style design. They are characterized by a harmonious neutral base where the color palettes find its way among classic and earthy tones such as green, blue-gray, gray-beige, white and brown. In fact, gorgeous hardwood floor, large windows and white walls have become a hallmark of any Scandinavian style home. Simplicity is the key word for these interiors. But let's see together several ideas from our video. The mudroom and laundry area, the back door and the glossy white kitchen of a small home in Scandinavian style design. You can also see here a lovely wooden stairway that leads to the next level. Beautiful light brown tile flooring complements the decor. Wow, here you can see an amazing brand new small home interior in Scandinavian style design. Just look at this superb living dining area in neutral grey, white and natural wood nuances. Large floor to ceiling windows let plenty of natural light to flow inside. Every corner of a small home is turned into a comfy living space, like in this image, where a small attic space is turned into a comfy and multifunctional room, bedroom and tiny home office. Small home with a beautiful and elegant living room at the ground floor. In this image you can also see the stairway and back door entranceway that leads you to a beautiful garden. Here you can see a beautiful small home interior in Scandinavian style design with a lovely living and dining area. Despite its simplicity, the decor is comfortable, inviting, functional and elegant. The vaulted ceiling, the large windows and the bright white walls increase the sensation of a larger space. Another beautiful and elegant home interior in an inspired Scandinavian style design, in fact, a combination of styles, Nordic style with accent of Oriental Arabian style, the rug and the floor Ottoman pillow. Interesting and unusual combination, but such a glorious result. Let's see another beautiful bedroom in Scandinavian style design, quite large master bedroom with white walls, engineered hardwood flooring, large windows and large open wardrobe. Here in this image you can see a small hallway and the stairway of a small home in a traditional Scandinavian style with rustic and modern style accents, a nice combination of design styles. Here in this image you can see a completely different Scandinavian style design from the previous one. Modern Scandinavian style design, interior furnished with a stylish lightweight furniture. Once again, a manicured landscape surrounds this beautiful property. sincerely hope you have enjoyed our video, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel and give us a like. See you soon. Bye bye.